Meet the RAFF 505040, Rider, A-size, flatbed full deck. Jtec's classic daughter cart has a 50 by 50 inch usable deck space and a 4,000 pound weight capacity. This reliable cart is part of Jtec's CarryMore system. It has wings on the sides, which allows it to be mechanically lifted off the ground and securely placed into our mother carts. Lifting the daughter carts off the ground and locking them into place reduces replacement caster costs as well as noise. It also allows for improved ergonomics by ensuring one rigid caster is always facing forward. The RAFF 505040 has premium casters including 2 rigid and 2 swivel with a face contact brake, corner and center captures for safe load retainment, an ergonomic push handle, and is extremely low maintenance. Our CarryMore system has great versatility with our patented Elevate lift technology, allowing for a wide variation of different CarryMore carts to be transported. To learn more, visit jtecindustries.com and reach out today.